Hello and welcome to new Lambda of the month. The Lambda this month is ISEmpty because you all know the ISBLANK function. But actually the ISBLANK function is not always returning true if the cell is kind of empty. And ISEmpty is kind of a better version of ISBLANK. And I will show you this. So here, when it's an empty cell, really nothing in there, length 0, then ISBLANK will return true and ISEmpty, our Lambda, will also return true. When there is a space, basically then, in my opinion, that cell is also empty. ISBLANK says, no, it's not empty, but ISEmpty still says it's empty. There are also so-called zero white spaces. So you see here, actually there's nothing in there really, but it is length 1, so there has to be something in there. ISBLANK is returning false, ISEmpty is returning true. A zero length text string, so equal sign and then this here with nothing in between. Length 0, ISBLANK still returning false, ISEmpty returning as it should be true. And an extra line, so if you do a line break there, this is also returning length 1, ISBLANK returning false, ISEmpty returning true. So actually ISEmpty is kind of a better version of ISBLANK. And yeah, you can then reuse this in other lambdas, use it for other determinations of blankness and emptiness. So yeah, and under the hood, there's nothing special. As always, you will also find the sheet in the video description, so you can steal all those lambdas. So basically, we're doing a few substitutes of those unnecessary stuff, and credits here to, I think, Dr. Excel. I found some stuff about ISBLANK on his channel. And then if the length is afterwards still 0, then we are returning true, otherwise we're returning false. So interesting and useful Lambda, especially useful in combination with other stuff, but also standalone. Thank you for your time, and at least until next month to the next Lambda of the month. Bye.